Welcome to Be One with me as we journey together to be the best we can. Here are the top 10 practices to align mind, body, and spirit. Alignment isn't about perfection. It's about coherence. When our mind thinks one thing, our body does another, and our spirit longs for something else. We feel torn in 3 directions. But when thought, action, and energy flow together, there's a sense of wholeness. Life feels less like a battle and more like a dance. Daily practices help us return to that rhythm. So let's dive in. 1. Mindful breathing. Simple but profound. Each breath centers awareness and reconnects body with spirit. 2. Grounding movement. Whether it's yoga, qigong, or just a daily walk, moving with intention really helps to integrate mind and body. 3. Meditation. Stillness opens the channel for spirit to guide thought and action. 4. Sacred nourishment. Eating clean. Whole foods is a way of honoring the body temple. 5. Journaling. It's a safe place for the mind to process, reflect, and, invite spirit to reveal deeper truths. 6. Gratitude practice. This one really shifts energy from scarcity to abundance, aligning spirit with your lived experience. 7. Sound and vibration. Whether it's chanting, singing bowls, or just humming, these help recalibrate your energy fields. 8. Digital detox. Stepping away from constant noise so the mind, body, and the spirit can breathe freely. 9. Acts of service. Giving from the heart dissolves ego and aligns us with something greater. 10. Rest and restoration. Sleep, stillness, and honoring the body's natural rhythms are, honestly, non-negotiable for alignment. Bringing mind, body, and spirit into alignment isn't, a one-time fix. It's a daily tending. These practices act like tuning forks, helping you return to your natural frequency. When your thoughts are clear, your body is cared for, and your spirit is heard, you live in coherence. Wholeness isn't something you chase, it's something you choose, again and again, one practice at a time. Subscribe to this channel. More is coming from the heart for the soul. Remember, a smile can make someone's day. The right words may change their life. Thank you, I love you, be one with me.